Buongiorno! Benvenuti sul mio canale. Welcome to my channel. Do you want to speak some Italian today? Ti va di parlare un po' di italiano? In this video, you learn the Italian alphabet and how to start using it straight away. You learn it in the typical smart Italian for busy people style, of course. Oh, by the way, if you like this type of video and you would like to get more of smart Italian for busy people, don't forget to subscribe and then click on the notification bell. Let's get started! Iniziamo! Iniziamo con l'alfabeto italiano. Let's start with the Italian alphabet. Repeat after me, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Z. Maybe you noticed that some letters were missing. I didn't forget them. They do not exist in the Italian alphabet, at least not in the official one. The one that we learn at school is the one that I told you just now. But of course, we do have those letters for foreign words or foreign names, and we are going to learn them now. I lunga, I lunga. That literally means long I, that in Italian we pronounce I. I lunga, K, K, W, W. Some people will say W, W, as the V in Italian is V. But many people say V, W. And do you know how to say www when you want to say an internet address? It's actually much easier, although it doesn't make much sense. It's www, www. Yeah, it's because probably the other one is too long. We wouldn't say www. Okay, so if you want to say an internet address, you just say www. But the letter itself, if you want to spell your name, it's W or W. X, X, Y, Y. Let's repeat it very quickly together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Z. And the special letters I lunga, K, W or W, X, Y. But now we want to use what we learned, don't we? So why do we use the alphabet? Normally we need the alphabet when we want to spell names. For example, when we want to book a hotel, a table. So we are going to play together to use the alphabet, okay? Giochiamo! I will now spell 3 names. Write down the letters. Of course, you can try to remember them, but it's more fun if you actually write the letters and see whether you were right. Iniziamo? Let's start. W, A, L, T, E, R. Ripeto? Shall I repeat? W, A, L, T, E, R. What was the name? The name was Walter, or actually, we also use in Italian as Walter. Number 2. X, A, V, I, E, R. Ripeto? Shall I repeat? X, A, V, I, E, R. The name was a Spanish name, so the pronunciation would be Javier, and you can see it written here. I'm choosing names from different countries because I don't know where you are from, so it could be useful for any of you, and because it's better if you cannot guess the name while writing, so that you can actually train and write down the letters you hear. Il terzo nome, the third name, is Ilunga, O-H-N. Ripeto, Ilunga, O-H-N. What was the name? John. For the second game, you will see 3 names and we will try to spell them together. Try to guess how to say the letters and then repeat them aloud after me. Before we start, remember 2 letters which might be confusing in Italian are E which in English is E, and E, which in English is I. So how do you say this letter? E. And how do you say this letter? E. Now we will go letter by letter. You start, so you will see the letter, the name, the letter, and you try to say the letter. And I will give you a couple of seconds and then I will say it myself. And if it was not right, then please repeat it after me, okay? S, M, I, T, H. Second name. K, L, E, I, N. Third and last name. E, M, I, L, Y. Now it's time for your name. Can you try to spell it? First name and then last name. Tell me how it went in the comments. È tutto per oggi. That's it for today. A presto! Ciao! I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a reminder, if you like this video and you would like to get more explanations about grammar, phrases, Italian culture, don't forget to subscribe and click on the thumbs up button. Ciao! A presto! See you soon!